This is a recording of the tutorial for Word review assignment. We didn't have a chance yesterday to do it in class, so I want to make sure you don't have any questions regarding it. If you open page 207, I've already distributed the pages in class. So if you, it says open the eating from like the eating file and save the document as eating well. And if it saves as Word document as the Word 97, go ahead and change it to the 2010. Sometimes it does that, but it says in the last paragraph, replace the student name with your name. So you can just like find the word student. And it brings that, so you need like to highlight the word student name and replace it with your own name. Then it asks you to format everything in the newsletter except the paragraph containing the text Shepherd Bay Medical Center in 2 columns. So going back up. You will highlight the text and you want to format it into 2 columns, so that would be under the page layout. And you want to choose columns and 2. So now you see that the document have been broken down into 2 columns. For now, they are not balanced, but you will be asked later to balance it. They want you to create a drop cap in the first paragraph under heading 2, under each heading 2 heading. Remember what I told you is that anything that is to be inserted is under the insert menu. So if I click under insert, I should see the drop cap right there. We want the drop cap to be for every the first letter. You're dropping the first letter of each paragraph. So let's highlight the first paragraph and the second. Remember, we don't want to highlight the headers, so we will use the control key to select just the text beneath the headers. And now if we use the drop cap, you see that every single paragraph has dropped the first letter of that paragraph. Okay, now we want to insert a registered mark after 20 fast food friends right there. So again, we will go under the insert menu, and right there you see symbol, and you want to insert a symbol, which is the registered trademark. You can't see it right there, so you'll click on more symbols, and it's actually a special character, so you'll click on special character and choose registered, and you see that the registered mark have been inserted right where they told you to. Now at the top of the document, create the headline healthy food using word art. In the word art gallery, choose the middle style in the bottom row, fill red accent to metal bevel. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so that's in the header, so you'll go and type in the header and insert a word art, and they ask you to insert the middle style in the bottom row. So let's see, which is the fill red accent metal bevel. That's it. And you want to type in healthy food. You want to change the size to 48. So just right click on it. Right now it is 36. You'll change it to 48. And you want to apply the top and bottom text wrap. Okay, remember again what we said, that when we create an object, then a menu for it appears. So the menu for this one is the format. So click on the format, and you want to wrap the text top and bottom. And now you need like to put it in the middle. Okay, we want to change the text color to orange. So you'll go under the shape fill and choose orange accent 6. It's actually the text should be the text fill color. Yeah, so you should use the font color, which is that has the A, and change it to orange accent 6, darker 25. That's it. And we want to apply the wave 1 transform effect to the word art text. So under word art styles, text effects, there is transform, and you want to choose the wave, which is, I think, yeah, this one, and we need to choose wave 1. And they want you to change the width to 6 inches. Right now it is 3.97. So go ahead and increase it until it reaches 6. And again, they want you to center it across the page. We want to insert a clip art at where on the line that starts with "in a busy world" right there. So right there you will click on insert and choose clip art, and you are trying to locate businesswoman, so you search for businesswoman, and this is the one that's running with a cell phone, so it gets inserted right there. Resize the clip art so it is approximately 1.5 inch square. So see right there, it is right now 1.95, 1.94. So just like decrease it until it reaches 1.5. It's 1.5, 1.57. Crop the clip art on the left to remove the satellite dish. Then crop the clip art to an oval shape and add a simple blue border. So I don't want to take that satellite on the right. I want to crop it. So I'm going to click on crop, and I will remove that satellite. So I just have a lady running. And the next thing is that I want to have an oval shape around it. We want to crop the image to an oval shape, so we'll choose crop. This time we're not going to choose the generic crop, but crop to shape, and we want to use the oval. I think it's this one, first one. Yeah. So now it's cropped to an oval shape. Then you want to use, so you're trying now to change the clip art image. You want to add a blue border. And you want to position the button to wrap text around the graphic. We need to choose one that says position in the middle of the left margin. Keeps on moving. Okay, I want to make sure that it is wrapped in line with text. So let's see. We will choose the one that says in middle center, and we want to move it to the first paragraph. And again, position it in line in text. Make sure again that the size is 1.5. I want to I know it takes, I mean, like you have to keep on moving it. Thought I got it. Yeah. Okay, so you need like to choose wrap text and make it square. Now the next one is you want to go in the paragraph fresh is better here, and click at the beginning of the line that begins conditions. And insert the photo name orange. And you want to rotate the photo so the orange is upright and the stem end on top, then size it to 1 inch wide. I'm gonna make it first 1 inch. So you want to rotate it right. That way the stem is up. And you want to remove the brown background to leave only the image of the orange. So you want to crop. And remove background. Oops. You want to add a shadow, so under picture effects you will add a drop shadow. It says drop shadow rectangle. Oh, it could be under the picture style, sorry. Drop shadow rectangle is the fourth at the top. And position and align it along the right margin below the fresh is better. So just move it. Now they want us to balance the columns. To do that, you need to insert at the end of the page a continuous section break. And it's under page layout and breaks and continuous and that will make the columns balanced, as you can see, which means that they are of equal length. The last thing is that we want to insert a border around the page with a three thin line, and specify the border placement should be measured from the edge of the text, and adjust the position of the graphics as necessary. So we want to add the border. We click on page borders under page layout, and you use the three thin lines, and you want to make sure that it is measured from edge of text, not edge of page. And there you see everything looks fine. So that's all for the part that we did not do yesterday. Yesterday we already did the nutrition letter and merged the document. So that would be all for today, and tomorrow we will do the review and have our test. Thank you very much.